In this part of our learning course, we want to tell you about how to place the duct for return air. It is very important. We have the section plane here. I go to 3D view. Now we have just this duct, which I selected with the selection box tool. I go to properties window and deactivate the selection box. For doing this, deactivating selection box, usually you can section box, sorry, to see the total project. As you can see, you can see the flow duct. Let me make a section to see the inside, and I move the section a little to the left, and I will see inside both. For example, now our supply air duct is inside the stairs, so I have to change the route of these ducts, and I extend the crop view size to see better. And I go to level 1 and create another section here to check the height of the duct. And because I draw a duct again, I didn't check the height of it. I move the duct downward. I have to cut it. I hold down the left click and move it to the right, but this is the much quicker method. I leave the mouse on one of the ducts and use the tab key one time, two times, and select all of them, and then I will filter. I don't want the air terminals, and I don't want flex ducts too. Just I want duct fittings and duct accessories. I go to view section. It was this section 7. You have it here. With the keyboard arrow keys, I move it downward as the desired elevation, desired height. Maybe its place is not perfect, so you have to check it in the 3D view. Now I move duct upward because it was inside the stairs. I increase the height, elevation, and increase it as much as possible. Maybe we have not enough space, so I go to 3D view. You have the limitation here. It's not possible to move upward more than this. So I have to make a planium and remove the adapter. It's the method by itself, and extend this one. These dotted line means you are extending vertically. And I go to right view and I extend it as much as we want. And then I go to section view. Now you can move it upward. These warnings are not very important because the tab is moving now. From the modify tab, I split this again and remove and use cap at the end and move it a little upward. For its dimension, you can use another size. Now it's 12 by 28. Maybe its size is much bigger than this, so you have to replace another size. You can use the dock sizer tool. As you remember, 2400 CFMs with head loss of 0.1, and for returned we use 80% of the supply, between 80 and 85%. Let me see how much is its size. Minimum it must be 16 inches, and I want to see which size we have. We have 16 by 20. So I remove this and change the dimension 16 by 20. So I connect them again. For the drop ceiling space, it's a lot, so I use 16 by 20.